Okay, good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Actually, what I'm going to do today is just going to be a simple repetition of the chords, because according to my system here, I see that the chords are still the same. Actually, the one for 10 it worked, so I do have 121 here. I'm just gonna do once, like, remove this one so you guys don't get caught. Actually, that's the code that is coming. I'm surprised because this code is still 131, so there is a high chance of a repetition. But this girl Gina, what do you call her, Christy, she's something else. Okay, cool. So I'm going to say lunch and tea time. Actually, all four draws to make things easier. All four draws. And then I'm gonna dismantle it. Actually, I cannot dismantle this. I'm going to remove the 10 and put the 30. And then here, the 22 did not come, and the 14 did not drop. So, and the 9 did 9 come. Yesterday, 15 did not come. Actually, let me just crush this up. I'll do a proper one when I'm done. Okay, so guys, this is how it's going to happen. Remember, I have to remind you, we have got this new book for me and the Lolo Genius, and then we also have our private VIP group, me and Lolo Genius. Let me say join VIP group. Perfect. It's another group that we have. I think it's gonna be only a few people there. Even if it's 20 people, it's okay. As long as we're going to be able to make money. Okay, so the first chord is 131, which is, when we break it, we're going to say 1 plus 3, that will give us a 4. If we do that, we get a 41 or 14. Then if we subtract and say 1 minus 3, we get a 2. We carry that, we have got a 12 and a 21. Then if we add, we say 1 plus that, it gives us a 32, which is going to be 23. If we subtract, it gives us a straight 12 or 21. So between the plate lines, 12 or 21, and then 14, 41, then there's 13, 31. That chord will go that way. Do you see that? And then we're going to subtract again to get the 30. So if I have to give you a strongest pair, I'm going to say 13, 30, 13, 21, 13, 14, 13, 41, for those who want to play the pairs. And then I'm also going to say 10, 44, because I'm going to say 13, 44, 13, 44, 14, because I know this 14 is the drop as well. Do you see that? And then there is this other chord which is not yet exhausted. If I check this chord, which means this 15 will drop either on tea or on lunch, because if it's 132, it means that they can say 23, 15, or 32, 15. Remember, guys, what these guys are doing these days, they do repeat numbers, so you don't have to have that thing of like, no, I'm going to play that number, it will drop. No. You just have to keep on playing the numbers as they are. And then if I go to this bottom chord, 121, this chord 121, it shows me that if I say 1 plus 2, it gives me a 3. I carry that is a 31 or 13. Then 1 minus 2 is a 1. I carry that, it gives me an 11. Sorry about that. Then if I say 1 plus 21 is 22, 1 minus that is 20. So there's a high chance of them playing a 20 and a 30. Then they're going to pick either 44 to mess around with our minds. You see that? So the main focus for lunchtime on those chords is, so let's say if ever we have to pair, we can say 21, 22, 21, 31, 21, let me see, 21, 13. And then watch out this chord 139 on tea time. This chord 139, it means 13 is still gonna be on high rotation. 31, 39, 9, or 9, 13, 19, 39. That is a 4 number, So these chords, use them both on all draws till close. You don't have to skip any draw. Use the same chords, and I guess you guys are gonna be fine. So if I have to put the singles down there, I'm going to say 13, wait, I'm going to say 13, I'm going to say 31, I'm going to say 12, 21, 14, and then I'm going to come up with a 15 again and a 9. Then I go again there, check on my quotes. It shows me that there's a 20, there is a 30. Those numbers are symbols which you can play around with, mess around with, and then hopefully you're going to make it. But this is what it is for today. So if you need to get the book or join our VIP group, you're going to follow the link in the first comment of the video, because that's how I make it easy for everyone. Thank you very much, guys. And this one is affordable. It's just 100 rand per 2 weeks, 100 rand fortnight, which means 200 rand in a month. You see. Thank you very much.